Cloud computing versus edge computing, which is right for your business? The rapid advancement of technology has led to massive changes in the way businesses operate. In particular, the advent of cloud computing and edge computing has revolutionized the way data is processed and managed. With businesses increasingly relying on technology to drive their operations, choosing the right computing model is more important than ever. In this article, we will guide you through the differences between cloud computing and edge computing and help you determine which is the right solution for your business. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a term that refers to the practice of using remote servers to store, manage, and process data over the Internet. Essentially, cloud computing allows businesses to access computing power and resources as and when they need it. This flexibility has made cloud computing extremely popular, with businesses of all sizes using the technology to streamline their operations and reduce costs. There are many different types of cloud computing, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS provides access to computing resources such as storage, networking, and processing power, while PaaS provides a platform where developers can build and deploy applications. SaaS, on the other hand, allows businesses to use software applications hosted on cloud servers. Benefits of cloud computing. One of the main advantages of cloud computing is its scalability. Businesses can easily increase or decrease the amount of computing power and resources they use, depending on their needs. This allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing demands and avoid costly investments in expensive hardware and infrastructure. Another advantage of cloud computing is its accessibility. With data and applications stored in the cloud, employees can access the tools they need to work from anywhere, at any time, as long as they have an internet connection. This has become increasingly important in recent years, with remote work becoming more prevalent. Cloud computing also provides businesses with cost savings. Rather than investing in expensive hardware and infrastructure, businesses can pay for the resources they need on a subscription basis, allowing them to reduce their capital expenditures. Challenges of cloud computing. Despite its benefits, there are some challenges associated with cloud computing. One of the main concerns for businesses that use cloud computing is security. With sensitive data stored on remote servers, there is always a risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. This is why it is essential for businesses to choose cloud providers with robust security measures in place. Another challenge of cloud computing is the risk of service disruption. Businesses rely heavily on cloud services, and any interruption can have a significant impact on their operations. Cloud providers often provide service-level agreements, SLAs, that guarantee a certain level of uptime, but there is always a risk of downtime occurring. Edge computing. Edge computing is a computing model that differs from cloud computing in that it places computing resources closer to where the data is generated and used, rather than sending data to a remote server. For processing and storage, edge computing devices perform these tasks locally, at the edge of the network. This has become increasingly important in recent years, as more and more devices are connected to the Internet. With an estimated 50 billion connected devices expected to exist by 2025, the amount of data generated by these devices will be staggering. Edge computing helps to reduce the strain on the network by processing data locally, rather than sending it to a remote server. Benefits of edge computing. One of the main advantages of edge computing is its speed. By processing data locally, edge computing can provide faster results than cloud computing. This is particularly important in applications such as autonomous vehicles and real time analytics, where split second decisions are critical.